Are you looking for the best drones for travel photography? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for travel photography on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic Atom 2 Fly Drone. Day or night, capture impressive professional quality aerial footage with the Atom 2 drone from Potensic. This second-generation Atom drone features a 3-axis gimbal and a high-quality camera capable of capturing 8K photos and 4K 30 HDR videos. It can even shoot 12MP RAW images and use a P-Log mode for flexible image processing. At night, AI Super Night intelligently handles the quality of low-light content. Multiple automatic video modes create dynamic shots, while additional photo modes expand your creativity. At under 0.55 pounds, pilots can enjoy this and more with little to no restrictions or certification. Just unfold the Atom 2 and fly. With Potensic's standard kit accessory bundle, you'll be ready to go right out of the box. The integrated camera on the Potensic Atom 2 features a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor and f/1.8 aperture to record high-quality content with reduced noise and enhanced low-light performance. Snap 48MP 8K stills or 4K 30 HDR videos, enhancing each with 4x digital zoom and 5x slow motion features. For a more professional application, the Atom 12 can capture 12MP RAW stills and has a P-Log mode to record enhanced visual information for flexible post-flight image processing. In addition to typical photo modes, such as burst, bracketing, BRK, and interval timer, the Potensic Atom 2 has access to creative modes to handle specific situations. AI Super Night can intelligently enhance the quality of low-light footage for crisper and clearer results. As the name implies, defog mode cuts through foggy conditions for crisper images. Wide-angle, 180 degrees, and sphere panoramas lead to breathtaking landscape shots, and vertical shooting mode is perfect for social media-ready photos and videos for immediate posting. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE Drone. The upgraded Surgefly flight control system offers pilots a reliable flying control experience. It has 3 flight modes: video, normal, and sport, and can accelerate to the top speed of 16 meters per second in just 2.8 s, so you can challenge your skills as you become a better pilot. Control range is up to 4 km/13,123 feet. The Pixing 2.0 image transmission system ensures consistent, smooth video in most shooting conditions. You can fly the drone 4 kilometers away from you while transmitting 720p HD video. The Atom SE drone weighs under 249 g, 0.55 pounds, making it as lightweight as a smartphone and portable enough to fit in your pocket. With a wind resistance of up to scale 5 and a maximum takeoff altitude of 4 kilometers, the Atom SE delivers stable footage even in windy conditions. Simply insert the battery and do the pairing and calibration, the drone is ready. Atom SE features a dedicated return to home button to get the aircraft to FFY back to the takeoff point. Number 3. Potensic Atom 3-Axis Drone. A pocket-sized companion built for spontaneous journeys, this ultralight aerial device turns everyday moments into breathtaking memories without adding complexity to your travel plans. Slip it into your bag, head out, and capture stunning perspectives that feel alive, immersive, and cinematic from the very first flight. Designed for effortless portability, it becomes part of your lifestyle rather than extra gear you have to think about. Every frame tells a richer story, powered by advanced imaging that delivers crisp visuals with remarkable clarity. Smooth stabilization transforms shaky scenes into fluid motion, letting your creativity flow naturally even when the environment feels unpredictable. From sunrise rooftops to seaside escapes, each shot carries depth, emotion, and a professional touch that stands out instantly. Extended exploration feels uninterrupted, giving you the freedom to stay in the moment longer. Rapid power recovery ensures you spend less time waiting and more time discovering new angles, new stories, and new inspiration. Strong connectivity keeps control steady and responsive, helping you push boundaries with confidence no matter where your curiosity takes you. Smart tracking and cinematic motion patterns elevate storytelling, turning simple recordings into visually captivating experiences. With intelligent navigation and reliable return functions, every flight feels secure, allowing you to focus purely on capturing unforgettable scenes that truly connect with your audience. Number 4. Oddire $11 Hong Kong Drone. With the advanced GPS module, our Oddire drone with camera will automatically return home when battery runs low or the connection breaks up, so you'll never worry about losing it. Besides auto-return, other intelligent flight features like GPS follow, route planning, and fly around simplify operation and allow even beginners to capture stunning and professional footage. Featuring an f2.15 110 degrees wide-angle lens adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app, the drone with camera captures high-resolution images at 4096x3072p and records videos at 2048x1088p, which will bring you the ultimate aerial photography experience. Photos and videos need to be recorded and stored instantly on the included SD card or your mobile device. SD card is not included in the package. Powered by two powerful 7.7V 1800 mAh batteries, the drones for adults offer a total flight time of up to 48 minutes for long-lasting and uninterrupted aerial filming. 7.7V The battery indicator informs you of the current capacity and enables you to plan your flights. Compared with competing 7.4V and 3.7V batteries, our 7.7V battery is more powerful and durable. This FPV drone has an upgraded 5G Wi-Fi transmission module, ensure stable real-time flight data transmission. The integrated signal repeater in the remote controller ensures a robust connection at up to 1,640 feet, 500 meters, enabling you to reach up to and capture breathtaking aerial footage from afar. The camera drone with brushless motor delivers powerful performance and strong level 5 wind resistance for stable flight. Besides, weighing 249 g, the 11 Hong Kong dollars ensures a hassle-free flight experience in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. Good choice for capturing 4K aerial footage anytime, anywhere. Number 5. Punieayi ZY80 Pro GPS Drone. Features a 90 degrees adjustable HD camera for capturing 4K photos and high-resolution videos. GPS enables stable, smart flight, revealing new perspectives. Asterisk before flying, remove lens and screen films, watch guide videos via QR code on the instruction and calibrate for optimal safety and performance. Integrated GPS enables precision flight up to 800-foot altitude, with auto return to home triggered on low battery or manual press. Functions like circle fly and follow me boost entertainment value. Asterisk GPS can only be used outdoors. Includes 3x 7.4V 2700 mAh high-capacity batteries for up to 90 minutes of total flight time. The powerful, low-noise brushless motor ensures stable operation even in level 4 wind conditions, reducing power consumption for quieter, reliable flights. A non-touch 5-inch screen built into the remote controller delivers instant, long-range FPV up to 5,000 feet, eliminating app downloads. It offers an immersive flight experience with real-time preview, no smartphone required. Perfect for creators and beginners seeking simplicity and extended control range. Lightweight 238G body with foldable construction, long-range control distance, perfect for outdoor adventures. Includes a portable protective case for easy storage and carrying, ensuring maximum convenience on the go. Number 6. Holystone HS175D Drone. Capture crisp photos and clear 4K video for trips, family moments, and everyday outdoor filming. The 110 degrees wide-angle lens helps you fit more scenery into every frame. Tilt the camera to get the angle you want, whether you're filming a wide landscape, a top-down view, or a quick follow shot without constantly repositioning. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivers a smoother, more stable live view, making it easier to frame your shots and fly with confidence, especially when you're moving. GPS-assisted flight supports auto return to home when the signal is lost, the drone goes out of range, or the battery is low, helping you avoid losing the drone on outdoor flights. 2 batteries provide up to 46 minutes of flight time, depending on conditions, so you can practice, explore, and capture more without stopping to recharge. Features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjustment make it easier for beginners to start flying and keep the drone stable for cleaner footage.